Good morning, dear students. Today I will give a brief introduction to the 11th standard CBSE economics also. The course content of 11th CBSE economics is of two main parts. The first part is microeconomics and the second is statistics. Today I will only talk about microeconomics. It is one of the most important areas of economics, and unless we understand how things work as individual parts, we cannot understand how the economy works as a whole. So microeconomics is the base of all economics that takes place. This syllabus that you have actually is divided into different areas, and the first one is introduction to the topic, where we talk about micro and macroeconomics. What is the difference between these two? What are the different central problems of an economy? What is production possibility curve? And various other important indicators. The second part is the main part of microeconomics, where we generally have different kinds of behaviors which has to be studied. The first is the consumer's behavior. Any consumer who goes into the market decides to act in a certain way. So consumer's behavior basically deals with how a consumer will behave when he goes into the market. What are the governing principles on the basis of which he will buy things? So we have the law of demand, we have indifference curve analysis, we have marginal utility analysis. All these beautiful concepts are going to be studied under this unit. When the consumer is producing things, we also have the producers who have to make the goods and services for these consumers to buy. What are the governing principles behind production is the second part of microeconomics. Here we understand what are the laws of production, how does a producer decide how much quantity has to be produced and how it has to be supplied. The third area is, after the production has been done, we also need to think where we have to sell the goods. And where we have to sell the goods is what we understand under the market competitions. There are a large number of different kind of markets which exist in the world. You have perfect competition on one side, monopoly on the other, and in between you have market competitions like monopolistic competition, oligopoly and duopoly. All these different markets are very visible everywhere. The whole of economics that you study under microeconomics is what you are doing as a consumer, as a producer, as a buyer, as a seller in your everyday life. So all these concepts can be related to you in the best possible manner. So this is what basically you will have in your course of microeconomics. I hope you enjoy studying it as much as I enjoy teaching it. Thank you.